All right, good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Kato E5 that has been modified. So it has a ESU V5 micro decoder installed, a modified light board, separate Mars and headlights. In this case, let me show you what we did here. I'm not going to pull this particular one apart, but luckily I have two of them here, so that'll make this easier to explain. We're going to start with, this is a basic Kato E5/7/8/9 frame. It's all the same frame. And what I've done is we have chucked in and we have removed a section of the rear to take in an ESU 11/17 speaker. Okay, so I'll tilt that forward, it'll probably fall off, but if it does, it does. Okay, so obviously that's milled out. And then from that point forward, this is exactly the same as opposed to inside of that engine. You have a V5 micro that has been tapped into this factory light board here, and I've removed the factory LED here because these are just scrap pieces of surface mount LEDs from other projects that have had leads soldered to them. There's an extra resistor added here, and this board has had some traces cut and some jumpers modified in there. Then that has had ESU's sound file S0761, which is an EMD dual 567 prime mover added, and which would be correct for an E5, E7, E8, E9, something in there. But without further ado, I think I am just going to fire this up and let it speak for itself. So we will. Right. On these, the lower light is the headlight. Function 6 should turn on the Mars light. Kind of hard to see with the lighting effects I've got going on down here, just because everything washes out with the camera. And basic horn and bells and all that stuff. And those are typical ESU sound decoders. There's like 12 different bells on there and a couple of different horn setups. So we'll let this run around for a bit. And there you have it, the Kato CB&Q E5 with ESU LokSound V5 micro fitted. That's all I've really got. Conversion is basically the same for the New York Central E7s, although the lighting's a little bit different, and the same thing with E8s and E9s. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, have a great day.